Good morning, guys. I'm a bit late today. I should have woke up at 6, but then I woke up at 7. I'm 1 hour late. So it's 170 kilometers away from here to Tura via Ampati, Mahendraganj. So I have to search for breakfast as well before I go. So I'll see you guys. Bye. Have a good day. So how many hours will it take me? 5-6 hours?
No, if you go by bus also, I mean this sumo or like a bowler also, it doesn't take that much hour. Since you are alone by bike, I think it may take 3 hours.
Yeah.
But be careful, mo. This you have not seen the road, no? So especially while going from Baghmara to Marangapara, you take care because so many curbs are there. Roads are bumpy. After that, everything is okay.
Okay.
You are Kasi?
Yes, I'm okay.
What is your good name?
My name is Jonathan.
Oh, I have seen Jonathan.
Where is it?
Jonathan, I
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Jonathan?
Dakar, DKS.
Car. Oh. Yeah.
Yeah, I saw the banner as well. There on the road. All the best. All the best, madam.
Okay, Chef Jenny.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Certainly.
Thank you. Thank you.
टूरा
Tura. अच्छा ना अम्पति है ये शॉर्टकट नहीं हुआ ना
नहीं बीच में जाएगा तो खड़ा 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 मुड़ेगा ज़्यादा टर्न है
हाँ ओके खाना मिलेगा
फ्रॉम
शिलोंग खाना मिलेगा
उधर इधर से 30 किलोमीटर जाने के बाद में खाना मिलेगा
ढाबा है
उधर में
राइस दाल में
उधर पुलिस
पुलिस चेक पोस्ट
पुलिस स्टेशन भी है उधर में आपको खाना भी मिलेगा उधर खा के आराम से जाएगा
ओके थैंक यू
एकदम बाई रोड के ऊपर ही होटल है खाना मिलेगा
ओके थैंक यू ओके थैंक यू Hello guys, I'm 30 kilometers away from Mahendraganj. Just a suggestion and advice, you should always take a second opinion while inquiring about the roads conditions, the routes and whatnot. Some guys from Baghmara told me that this road to Tura via Ampati, via Mahendraganj is very bad. So I was hesitant to take this road, but then I met one lady while I was having breakfast. She told me that the roads are good, so I'm happy that I took it. You can go at a very nice speed, around 80 or 90. So I just smoked and I hope I'll reach Tura early so I can meet my musician friends. You should always carry ORS. This will help you gain energy and strength to endure during the ride. So I'll mix this. The Garos can really have chilies. I hope my stomach will survive the trip. I've been eating chilies since yesterday. Breakfast chilies, lunch chilies, dinner also chilies. Man. Konso, selfie.
हाँ रुक ना
जल्दी में.
I love riders यार
Oh, okay.
घर कहाँ पे तुरा पे है क्या घर कहाँ पे है आपका
शिलोंग में.
शिलोंग से
हाँ।
ओह अच्छा अच्छा थैंक यू
Okay, one more. Yay!
हैप्पी जर्नी
Yeah, thank you. So people, I'm in Ampati right now. I'll be going to Tura. I don't know which way. See, bro. Tura में रास्ता Tura. Yeah. Okay, so this is Ampati. People, I'm entering Tura right now. Hello guys, I just reached Tura. It's 2:30 p.m. I reached early and then now I'm just smoking here before I go to town. 4 kilometers away to reach my homestay guest house. See you guys. Food is ready guys. Jali chur musli broccoli Thai this is my dinner without any any chilies. But then, guys, I heard something outside. Listen to this, guys. Listen. There's a wild chicken as well. I'm enjoying the food, guys. Dan jar hishbet ay mo kam. Hab jar but iba ka pangkamas. Wah. Guys, good morning. I'm having my breakfast. This is the breakfast that I wanted for so long. Because I've been eating chilies so much these days. Hello Jared. Hi. This is the place where I'm staying. Dong Rama Homestay. Last night you could hear the sounds of birds, animals and whatnot. This is Jared. Say hi Jared. Jared, say hi. Say hi. Say hi. You sit here, eat here. Normal homestay for the hills. Oy, so nice. Guys, it's from the top. So I guess Miranmoy, my friend Miranmoy is here. Yes, he's here. Hi bro. Hi man, how was the trip?
Very good.
Nice to see you. Oh, you went up. What, cigarettes?
Yeah, I bought only one packet.
Ah man, I forgot I thought it's here in my Thai bag, but then it's in the tank bag. Guys, good morning. This is last morning in Tura. We'll be heading to the Garo Hills Riders Meet today, which will be held in Williamnagar. But then first we'll go to Resu, Baghmara. From there we'll come down again to East Garo Hills. So this is Pak Oswin from this guest house Dongrama homestay. Located at the lower Body Hills. So if you wanna have a peaceful homey stay in Tura, you better come here. This their pages are in social media as well, Instagram and Facebook and all. This is the cute son Jared here. Say hi, Jared.
Say hi.
Say hi. So okay guys, we'll see you guys then. We'll update you guys when we reach there in GHR. This is my friend Mirmo, I forgot to introduce. He reached yesterday. Okay then, we'll see you. Bye. See you.